Good morning guys, in front of me is VIVO Y17S and let me show you how to perform a soft reset. So basically all you have to do is tap on power button along with the volume down button, so just tap and hold both of them. Keep holding. And once you feel a smooth vibration and also see a logo, you can remove both fingers from buttons and wait till your Vivo is rebooted. Then you will be able to use it smoothly after this reset. And that's it. As you can see now, you can smoothly unlock your device and use it however you want. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.